Hey guys, we're back at SSP. We had some of you guys inquiring about how to change the fender liner on your 15 Forester. This will go from 15 to 18, 19. It's extremely similar to the 13, 12 model, so it should work for both models, but this is a 15. And you really don't need a lift to do this. You can do it at home. Just jack it up, take the rim off, everything's accessible. You'll need a clip remover and a number 10 or a screwdriver. So the clip remover, there's a bunch of clips like right here. If you just stick your little clip remover and pop it halfway out, these guys will come out. There's probably a dozen of them. You went to the snow or something and just ripped it off. You know, some of them might not even be there. There's one up here, there's one up here, there's one way in the middle up here. Don't forget that, most people forget this one up here. And then you got one here, needs to come out. There's one back here, needs to come out. There's one big one right here, and this clip is different than these clips. You got the one big one, the rest of these are the tiny guys. Gotta take this one out as well. Now the whole thing is pretty loose. There's one right here that holds the bumper and fender. It's a big clip. I don't know if you can see it. Let me pull it out. Right here. See, now this will be loose. The liner is loose. There's tabs. There's a tab right here. There's a tab right here for the fender, where the liner slides into. You have one clip right here. This is the belly pan that goes underneath the car. This is that other clip. I'm gonna raise the car up so you guys can see it. You don't have to raise it up at home this high. You got one clip right here. This is easier to see everything. You got one clip right here. There's one right here. One right here. If you pull this out too far, it's going to become really hard to take off. There's one more big one right here. It just needs to slide out a little bit and it'll come right out. And there's one right here in the corner. There's a bunch of them here. There's like 1, 2, 3 to hold this on. The very last one right here is a big, there it is. And that releases it from the bumper pretty much. Now there's one more. There's one more left right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's number 10. You see that? Right here. It's a 10 screw. The liner is loose. There's 2 tabs up there. Let me bring the car down. If you take the liner like this and just push, there's little tabs right here. It'll slide out. There's your liner. You guys want to know how to remove it? Here it is. Check this out. So there's a total of, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 7 of the bigger clips, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of the small clips. So if you kind of want to know how many it takes, 7 big ones, 9 small ones, and 1 10 Phillips type of screw that holds that together.